Grant Kennedy. Welcome to my website and this video, which is about referrals and team building in the legal arena. It's about you and your client maximizing your opportunities to take your case to its highest potential and achieve the very best outcome you possibly can. It's quite simple, really. You see, like the NBA, there's a wide variety of talent and skill set in the legal market. There's people who can pass. There's people who can shoot. There are people who are good defensively. Lawyers are the same way. They all have a different skill set. And like a good coach, he knows that to build the right team, he has to have different sets of talent in the right combination, in the right proportion to have a winning team and go home with a championship ring. You want to do your best. It's a very important step in your client's life to have a legal matter. What can you do to help him the most, or her the most, or your company the most? What can you do? You should look at options, and I'm glad you're here. I'll share with you some information I've learned in 25 years of practice. When I first started 25 years ago, I had the great opportunity of working for a mid-size Century City law firm with some of the top legal trial lawyers in the country. Now, these attorneys won the biggest and the largest verdicts throughout the country. I quite well remember one day being handed a file by a senior partner. As I was walking down the hallway, I was looking at the name on the file, and I recognized that it was a file concerning the death of a very important man in the very small town I grew up in Missouri. These people nationally handled large cases, important cases, and they were excellent trial lawyers. And the one thing I figured out was that most of their cases came from other lawyers. That is, people would call and they'd say, I have this type of case, what do you think? Because not all lawyers are trial lawyers, and not all lawyers are skilled and equipped to handle the larger personal injury, medical malpractice, or even the large business case. It takes a team. Now, when you say dream team, you kind of get a taste in your mouth and you're thinking about the O.J. Simpson case. And remember, he won. Whatever you think about the outcome, he won. He had the dream team. You might also think about Erin Brockovich. And in that case, Ed Masry mastered the case, and with the combination of another law firm, a large law firm downtown, put together a winning team which made history in their verdict, in the decision they reached for their client. They were able to obtain an excellent verdict by their teamwork. And it all began from the brilliance, the dedication, and the tenacity of Erin Brockovich. So you see, it is about team. And you know, one of the important things about a team in law is much like a team in basketball. You can't always win a season with just one great player. You might have Michael Jordan, but that doesn't mean every season you'll be the best. You have to have a combination of talent. What skills, what type of cases do you have that you need help on? My job is simple. For 25 years, I've been the attorney who goes to other attorneys and helps them with their cases at various levels. Now, I'll be candid with you and say there are many attorneys out there who are much more capable on various types of cases than I am. There are attorneys out there who have greater resources than I have, and this video is not about me trying to get you to bring me that case. This video is about me helping you to understand the working of the system so that you can maximize the referral fee you would obtain from those lawyers if you were to take them your case, how you would get them your case, what you'd have to do to prepare it, what you'd have to do in organizing it, what you'd expect, and how to protect yourself. We also provide you some forms, and our goal here is really to be your friend. My brother is one of my best friends in the world. He helped put me through law school. My younger brother, he worked hard, he got money, and he helped me, and he is my best friend. And I always look at clients and think of them as though they're my brother. What would I do for my brother? What is the best I can do? What is the very best I can bring to the situation in order to help them with their legal problem and be there as a brother for them? It's a pretty simple concept, and it's what I do as a trial lawyer. But mostly, what we want to focus on today is this concept of how you take your case, how you get the right team to build your matter into the best possible case